Today on Leelalicious, let's make this delicious arugula beet salad with goat cheese, pecans, and creamy balsamic dressing. This salad recipe is perfect to use the pickled beets that I recently posted a recipe for, but you can also start with fresh beets. In that case, either roast or steam them in the Instant Pot. I have posts for those too in my recent videos. Afterwards, let the cooked beets cool until they're comfortable to handle. Then peel them and either slice them or cut them into bite-sized cubes, whichever you prefer on top of your salad. And next up, we need to toast some pecan. Put pecan halves in a dry skillet on medium-low heat and then toast them until they are fragrant and lightly browned. Keep a close eye on them and toss frequently to keep them from burning. Now let's make that creamy balsamic dressing. To a small glass jar, add balsamic vinegar, Greek yogurt or mayo or sour cream, Dijon mustard, maple syrup or honey, and olive oil. Now tightly screw on the lid on top of the jar and shake everything vigorously until emulsified and fully combined. Alternatively, you can also whisk all the ingredients in a small bowl or add them to a blender and mix that way. In the end, you should have this creamy, smooth dressing. Toss the dressing with about 6 cups or 5 ounces of the arugula leaves. Add 3 diced up cooked or roasted or quick pickled beets and then top with the pecan halves and half a cup of goat cheese crumbles. I like to top everything with some Everything Bagel Seasoning. This way it has some sesame crunch, garlic and onion granules, salt, as well as poppy seeds. You can also adjust the seasoning individually with salt, pepper, garlic powder, whatever you prefer. Because of the pink beets, everything will start looking quite pink if you toss everything in a big bowl. So if you're looking for a more picturesque presentation, I recommend assembling the salad in 4 individual bowls by layering the arugula, beets, pecans, and goat cheese, and then drizzling the creamy balsamic dressing on top. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like and share this video, and I will see you soon with another yummy recipe. Bye for now.